Today's question has to do with living trusts and rental properties. The reader writes, can a person have more than one rental property, possibly 3, in a living trust? My brother is thinking of setting up a trust and he owns his house he lives in, plus rental houses. Is this possible and a good move using the LLC? So here the reader is asking about a living trust and then mentions an LLC. Both are great vehicles for holding rental property. In fact, I recommend if you're holding rental property for investment purposes for renting, you set up an LLC to hold those properties to limit your personal liability to the assets held inside that LLC. So if you listen to different people, some will do one LLC for each rental, some will put up to 10 in each LLC. It's up to you how much you want to limit your liability exposure on each property. I also recommend you get general liability insurance. However, this reader is also asking if he can put those properties inside a trust. A trust is a great way to avoid probate on all these separate pieces of real estate at death. But what I would recommend is that you put the 3 rental properties into an LLC and use that to manage those properties and collect the rent, limit your liability. Sounds like your brother has his own home, which he could deed into the trust, so that upon his death it would pass non-probate. And then the membership interest in the LLC becomes personal property, which your brother could assign to the trust to also avoid probate on those entities. So together the Revocable Living Trust could own his home, plus his membership interest in the LLC, and would all avoid probate, avoiding the court system, court-imposed fees, and the probate process of 6 to 12 months. So in short, a Revocable Living Trust paired with an LLC is a great way to manage these assets and avoid probate upon your brother's death. Great question, and thank you for asking.